So welcome to this week. This week is all about arrays. Arrays are very, very fundamental data structure. In order to be confident with this, you should make sure you understand data types and the concept of variables. If you're unsure about these two concepts, you need to go back and make sure that it's clear in your mind. So what is an array? Well, an array essentially, I'll give you a very simple example, and then we'll just analyze it. If you look at this example I'm drawing here, this is from the sheet. That's a curly bracket, semicolon. Okay, so let's just analyze exactly what this is. That's the name of the array, so that's its name. Okay, and I've called it int array. This bit here is the data type. So it's going to hold integers. Let's have a different color. This bit, notice there's a square bracket, an empty square bracket after the data type and before the name. This little space here. This indicates we are dealing with an array. And we'll explain. The concept of an array allows you to hold multiple values of same data type. Now, you've already used in other areas, if you've used lists in Python, you've used very similar concepts. An array is more primitive. It's not as advanced as a list in Python, for example. And what you have to understand is that this is quite a fundamental, both a fundamental concept and a fundamental data type. So in this statement here, what I've shown is that with the curly brackets here and here, you can build one by specifying a collection of values, but notice they all have to be integers. You can't have a mixed collection. There's a second mechanism which we'll come back to in another video, of how you go about creating and setting up an array to use. And in the subsequent videos, what we'll do is we'll work through examples of using them and explain the concepts at the same time.